Hi, how are you?
Marhaba, how are you?
Yes, we are fine. Thank you for making the time. First of all, tell us something about your city that we don't know yet.
Over many years, we received so many refugees, and that helped us to become very diverse. And we have so many cultural backgrounds. It's actually called the city of many hats and also the city of brotherly love because everybody that comes in is treated the same way as any citizen of my city. You also will notice there is a forest within the city. It's not a big forest, but it has the stadium and all the sporting facilities that it will leave a mark in your memory all the time when you go there.
Share with us some of the solutions you came up with in response to this pandemic.
I can summarize them in three major measures. The first one was when we were notified by the lockdown on March 13, we developed a task force to bypass all bureaucratic procedures in our municipality, and this task force was named COVID-19 Task Force. The other measure, using a tool called Urban Network Analysis that is an open source available and developed by MIT and Harvard, we utilized it in our own GIS database to develop gravity maps to identify which neighborhoods they lack accessibility during the lockdown and in order to provide them with critical urban services like food, medicine, and water. And the third measure that we were overwhelmed by, to be honest, because our capabilities, we didn't actually measure them very fast. Our own ability to develop a sanitizing system attached to trucks that owned by the municipality. And these trucks had huge tanks filled with sanitizing material. And when this truck walks a designated street that we identify, if it's an infected area and it's locked to minimize spread of the virus, it was going through these area and sanitizing the whole neighborhood. And we managed to do that these machines within 3 weeks through our civil works sector.
This is a really good, positive, successful story within this terrible global crisis. And I know you managed to have 0 cases by.
By July,
So, what do you think other municipal actors from our Connective Cities network can learn from your approach?
it's very, very important to develop a task force whenever there is a crisis. The other one that we learned was how critical and important urban data are. Community also, if they have areas that are not serviced very well, to also go there and help them, not just utilize technology. And the final one is that you should always trust and believe in your own capabilities to combat crisis and raise the resilience of your own city. We had an amazing experience with developing these sanitizing systems. Maybe other cities will develop other things that we can learn from.
Thank you so much for being with us today. Goodbye.
Goodbye.